In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print Subcontractor in QuickBooks. We're going to quickly pull a clean printable report that shows how much you've paid to each subcontractor. In QuickBooks Online, subcontractors are tracked under suppliers or vendors, so the report we'll use summarizes your spend by those names. It's fast, accurate, and perfect for sharing with your team or attaching to job files. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and signing in to your company. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation panel. That's your main hub for everything you do in QuickBooks. From that panel, choose Reports. This takes you to the Report Center, where you can search for exactly what you need. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Click in the search bar and type Expenses by Supplier Summary. This is the report that groups your expenses by supplier, which includes your subcontractors. It's a concise way to see totals at a glance without getting lost in individual transactions. When you see Expenses by Supplier Summary appear in the results, click it to open. The report will load with a default time frame, but to make it useful for your purpose, like a specific job period, month, quarter, or year, you'll want to set the dates. Look for the Report Period drop-down near the top of the report. Click Report Period and choose the range that matches what you need, such as this month, last month, this year, or custom for a specific start and end date. Using the correct date range ensures the totals reflect exactly the period you want to review or share. Take a quick look over the report to confirm the names and totals appear as expected. If your subcontractors have been entered and paid as suppliers, they'll be listed here with their corresponding expense totals. This summary view is ideal for printing because it's compact and easy to read. When you're ready to print, go to the top of the report and click the printer icon. Your browser's print preview will open and display exactly what will be sent to paper or saved digitally. If the columns look wide, consider using landscape orientation so nothing gets cut off. When the preview looks right, click Print. Choose your physical printer or select a PDF option if you want to save and share electronically. That's it, you've opened QuickBooks, found the right summary, set the correct dates, and printed your subcontractor totals. Keep this workflow handy for monthly check-ins, project closeouts, or year-end reviews, and you'll always have a clear snapshot of subcontractor spend ready to go.